are ships usually pointed or sharp. At the front, to understand this, we need to look at the physics behind how ships move in water and how airplanes move in air. Ships stay on the surface of the water because of an important physics principle called Archimedes' principle. This principle explains that when an object is placed in a fluid like water, it experiences an upward force called buoyant force. This force is equal to the weight of the water that the object pushes away, that if this upward force is equal to or greater than the weight of the object will float. This is why even very large ships made of heavy steel can float on water. The shape of the ship allows it to push away a large amount of water. Because of this, the water pushes the ship upward and keeps it floating. So the main physics concept that allows ships to stay on water is buoyancy. Now let's look at another interesting design feature of ships. Most ships are pointed or sharp at the front. This front part of a ship is called the bow. But why is it designed that way? When a ship moves through water, it must push water out of its way. Water is much denser than air, which means it creates strong resistance that if the front of a ship were flat, it would hit a large amount of water at once. This would create a lot of resistance and make the ship move more slowly. It would also require more energy and fuel to move forward. To solve this problem, engineers design ships with a pointed front. This pointed shape helps the ship cut through the water smoothly. Instead of pushing water suddenly, the ship gradually moves the water aside. This reduces water resistance and allows the ship to travel more efficiently. Because of this design, ships can move across oceans while using less fuel and energy. Now let's compare this with airplanes. Airplanes move through the air using the science of aerodynamics. 4 main forces act on an airplane during flight. These forces are lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Lift is the force that pushes the airplane upward. Weight is the force of gravity pulling the airplane downward. Thrust is the forward force produced by the engines. Drag is the air resistance that slows the airplane down.